Hi friends, in this video we'll be looking at how to create a multiple layered form. When I mean a multiple layered form, I mean branching in Microsoft Form terms. So how does branching work? Take for instance, I have a form like this that is currently displayed on the screen, and I can select an office, for instance at HQ, and various options that relates to office in the headquarters shows up. Get so what if I choose Lagos? So it shows various options that are related to Lagos. Or let's say I picked Abuja, for instance, it's going to show various options that are related to Abuja. Let's say I click one of those options, is going to take me to the next, right? So if I, for instance, pick HQ and then select a location in HQ, it doesn't care about other facility like the other options that we have, like the Lagos or the Abuja. It just goes ahead with the next. So that's something called branching in Microsoft Home, and here's how you do it. But if you are new to Microsoft Home, this here is how you begin the whole process. First, you are going to go to office.com, which is your Microsoft 365 cloud portal. So once you get there, you are going to click on all applications, which is this. So you're going to click on apps. So under here, you're going to click on more apps. So you're going to scroll down until you find forms, which is this guy. So you're going to click on it. So alternatively, you can follow their URL, which is forms.cloud.microsoft and all of that. So once you have that, you can click on new form to begin creating forms. So I'm just going to walk you through how this form is set up. The first thing would be to create every of the locations. So if you look at the form, we have all of the locations. We have office location, for instance, and the office location contains HQ, contain Lagos, contain Abuja. The next option will be to create facilities in that locations that we want to go to. So let's say we are talking about HQ, we have all of the options that are related to HQ. So the next is to create Abuja, also create also for Lagos, and then continue with the form. So after you have created all of the options that you have, the next thing now will be to apply the branching. So how do I want to do that? So for me to add apply branch, I'm going to click on these three dots, and first I'm going to set it to drop down, right? So I don't want it to be the select options that it was before, though this is just to make it a bit finer, but it really doesn't matter. So here under it, I can see something called branching. So immediately you click on that branch, it's going to show you a page like this, so which you can use to add branch to wherever you want it to branch to. So for HQ, for instance, I want anytime HQ selected, I want it to go to HQ facility, right? So which is this guy. What if Lagos was selected? Where did I want it to branch to? I want it to branch to the Lagos facility, which is this. What if Abuja is selected? I want to click on here and then select Abuja, which is where it's gonna go next, right? So of course, say for instance you select HQ, immediately a user select HQ, for instance, and you ask it to go to HQ, it's going to come here. So after coming here, it's going to go directly to the next one, which is Abuja. But you don't want that. You want a user to be able to select one out of these three options. So once you select HQ, only this guy displays. This one doesn't display. This doesn't display. So that's where you need to add the second branch, which is this. So you are going to tell it that, oh, once HQ is selected and then we are under HQ facility. Once you are done with HQ facility, you don't need to go to Abuja facility. Just go down to the next, which is this issued category, right? Same with Abuja. So once a user select Abuja, don't bother about Lagos. Go directly to the issue category, which is the number 5 on the list, and then go down to the end, and that's it. So creating a multiple layer or adding branching to your form is quite seamless, and this is how you do it. Thank you.